Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting ready for a net interview, you know that nailing the fundamental is key. And when it comes to .NET Core, one of the most common questions is about minimal APIs vs traditional MVC controllers. So today, we're not just going to talk about it in a simple and lucid way. This is your chance to get ahead of the game and show your interviewer that you're not just a coder, you're a smart coder. Remember, .NET is a huge ecosystem, and covering everything in just one book is impossible. That's why we've put together a curated list of 4 essential books to give you a truly holistic view of the most common interview topics. You'll find the links to all of them in the description below. Also, with the modern development landscape, it's crucial to be prepared for more than just back-end questions. We've included links to books on Azure development and essential front-end technologies, which can significantly boost your chances of landing that dream role. So go ahead and check out those resources, and good luck with your preparation. We're about to dive into the questions, but first, I want to hear from you. What's the one interview topic that always makes you nervous? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video helps you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Let's have an in-depth explanation and comparison of minimal APIs versus traditional MVC controllers. Minimal APIs, introduced in .NET 6, represent a streamlined approach designed to build fast, lightweight HTTP APIs with minimal code structure and dependencies. The core philosophy of minimal APIs is simplicity. They allow developers to define API endpoints directly within the application's configuration file. This eliminates the need for separate controller classes, method attributes, and extensive file organization. Minimal APIs automatically handle binding parameters from the URL, query string, or request body. Minimal APIs are best suited for modern, cloud-native architectures. They offer a low-overhead host, similar to how functions work in cloud environments. Rapidly creating and testing API endpoints without setting up the full MVC pipeline is also a use case. Traditional MVC controllers have been the standard pattern for building ASP.NET applications for years. In this model, API endpoints are implemented as public methods within dedicated controller classes. Routing is handled through attributes. The execution of the request is managed by a sophisticated pipeline. This structure provides a clear separation of concerns. Models handle data, views handle presentation, and controllers handle business logic execution. Traditional controllers remain the better choice for large, complex applications. When complex model validation, custom action filters, or deep control over the request lifecycle is required, traditional controllers excel. The key differences between the two approaches lie in structure, performance, and feature complexity. With minimal APIs, all endpoint definitions are concentrated in one or a few files. The endpoints are simple Lambda delegates, leading to a flatter code structure and fewer files. While this is great for small projects, it can become unwieldy for large applications. In contrast, traditional controllers enforce a rigid separation. Each endpoint lives within a logically named class. This structure makes large-scale projects highly maintainable, scalable, and easier for new team members to navigate. Minimal APIs offer significantly lower overhead. They consume fewer resources and can handle a higher volume of requests per second. Traditional controllers have a higher performance cost due to the fully featured pipeline. Every request must pass through multiple stages, which adds latency. While modern .NET has optimized this process, it still cannot match the raw speed of a minimal API endpoint. The strength of traditional controllers lies in their powerful feature set. They natively support features like custom action filters and controller-based authorization. Minimal APIs deliberately start simple. While they support a basic middleware and dependency injection, extending them with complex filters often requires using dedicated middleware or custom factories.